The meeting focused on recommitments of both countries to the Mekong Delta Plan, which is themed Long-Term Vision and Strategy for a Safe, Prosperous and Sustainable Delta. The plan came into being as part of the Strategic Partnership Arrangement on Climate Change Adaptation and Water Management signed between Vietnam and the Netherlands back in 2010. Speaking at the event, Prime Minister Dung highlighted the immense environmental challenges that the Mekong River Delta and Vietnam face in the context of climate change.
Scenarios on climate change reveal that at the end of the 21st century, Vietnam's average temperature could potentially increase by 2 to 3%. That would mean some 40% of the Mekong River Delta, 11% of the Red River Delta, and 3% of all Vietnam's coastal provinces would be submerged.
As part of the plan, Dutch Prime Minister Mark Rutte shares that the Dutch government was looking to continue working with Vietnam in order to share experience from their own Dutch Delta Plan. Initial focus have gone from reacting to immediate concerns like flooding and natural disasters to technology transfer of clean water usage to master planning in order to ensure sustainable water management.
Some of the decisions that we make today might negatively influence our ability to deal with future necessary change. And therefore it's very important that everybody working on the Delta, planning in the Delta, works with the same kind of idea, the same long-term vision in mind in devising projects right now and projects for the intermediate term.
Both sides agree that for positive change to occur, policy making alone is not enough. Investment in infrastructure is a first step, and that is where cooperation in knowledge and technology transfer between the two countries becomes essential.
The Netherlands is a world leader in clean technology, developing renewable energy and providing environmental solutions. Such experience could be very beneficial in the long-term cooperation between Vietnam and Netherlands, particularly in tackling climate change.
The Mekong River runs through 6 countries, and in Vietnam, the Delta is the most productive region in agriculture and aquaculture, providing work and contributing greatly to the country's economy. Climate change mitigation measures are vital. Now, it is estimated that in the future, the effects of climate change could affect up to 10 to 12% of the population here in Vietnam and take away as much as 10% of the GDP each year. Such meetings as this not only strengthened the partnership between countries like the Netherlands and Vietnam, but it also creates a base point, the principles to mitigate as much of the effects of climate change as possible. Thuy Dương, Vietnam Television, Hanoi.